The tissue system. We were discussing types of tissues based on the type of cell present. जिस टाइप के सेल प्रेजेंट होते हैं हम उसी टाइप के टिश्यूज़ डिस्कस कर रहे थे. लेकिन let us now consider how tissues vary depending on their location in the plant body. Their structure and function would also be dependent on location. Location पे भी इनका structure और function depend होता है. On the basis of their structure and location, there are three types of tissue system. These are epidermal tissue system, the ground or fundamental tissue system, and the vascular or conducting tissue system. Epidermal tissue system. The epidermal tissue system forms the outermost covering of the whole plant body and comprises epidermal cells, stomata, and the epidermal appendages, the trichomes and hairs. The epidermis is the outermost layer of the primary plant body. It is made up of elongated, compactly arranged cells which form a continuous layer. जो एक continuous layer form करती है. The epidermis is usually single layer. जो epidermis है वो single layered होता है. Parenchymatous होता है with a small amount of cytoplasm lining the cell wall and a large vacuole. The outside of the epidermis is often covered with a waxy thick layer जिसको हम cuticle बोलते हैं, जो कि loss of water prevent करता है. जो ये है, जो cuticle है वो absent होता है roots में. जो stomata हैं वो structures हैं present in the epidermis of the leaves. Stomata regulate the process of transpiration and gaseous exchange. Each stoma is composed of two bean-shaped cells called guard cells which enclose the stomatal pore. In grasses, the guard cells are dumbbell-shaped. The outer walls of guard cells away from the stomatal pore are thin and the inner walls जो inner में होते हैं वो highly thickened होते हैं. The guard cell possess chloroplast and regulate the opening of and closing of stomata. Guard cells क्या करते हैं, ये सब regulate करते हैं. Sometimes a few epidermal cells in the vicinity of the guard cells become specialized in their shape and size and are known as subsidiary cells. The stomatal aperture, guard cells and the surrounding subsidiary cells are together known as stomatal apparatus. The cells of epidermis bear a number of hairs. The root hairs are unicellular elongations of the epidermal cells and help absorb water and minerals from the soil. On the stem, the epidermal hairs are called trichomes. The trichomes in the shoot system are usually multicellular. They may be branched or unbranched and soft or stiff. They even be secretory भी हो सकते हैं. The trichomes helps in preventing water loss due to transpiration.